Isatorresbeats on the beat, boys.
Alright, we are finally on the flight to Rio. Say hey, Joe. Check on me. Flight to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, to celebrate my girl Davina, her birthday. I'm so excited. We are on the last leg. So it was way too hot. I had to take my shirt off because it's hot in here. Sakona convinced me to strip while she got long sleeve on.
But mine, hers is thick. She got on fleece.
She just saw me
Brazil.
No. So we had to split up into 2 Ubers because the cars are small. We're trying to order Uber X, but for some reason, like, that's not a thing. So we had to split up. Only Davina's phone works and Joe's phone works. So, yeah.
Trabalhei no consulado de Angola.
Boys.
All right, y'all, we're getting ready to go find something to eat.
Chiquita, para almoçar.
Alright, guys, so we're on the way to Christ the Redeemer now. This is like one of the main things Davina wanted to do. Being here. Davina, you ready?
Oh, you doing a video?
Yeah.
Hi.
Made it to the Redeemer. My hair is starting to look crazy. I think Joe and
Sanitizer carpets for hygienizing the shoes are available. Attention to distance.
So we're still at Christ the Redeemer, but there's like this little bar restaurant thing. Oh shit! The ones they're so well, yeah, they're not ugly. They're they're blurry.
You always talk about you want a good picture. You can't take a good picture yourself.
So we're trying to go find some dinner. Say hey, ladies. Where's Joe? There's Joe. right, thank you. Ciao.
They trying to study me and trying to figure out where I got my money from. But let me tell y'all something.
Y'all listen.
Okay? My money, I don't spend frivolously like y'all.
But she had 5 drinks already.
Y'all just was just
We did the same thing.
She
Joe-
was just drinking.
Yeah, Joe been drinking up the whole thing, and she still come out with $50. I had water and a piece of cake. Got the same, and I don't spend frivolously either. Oh my god! Ew, that's sewer.
Right under.
No, it's not sewer.
Yo, she stood right here and said, "Oh." Now she got sewer poom poom. She shouldn't. Let me tell y'all something. I went to sleep earlier. Next thing I know, I'm $20 to $40 poor. We had breakfast earlier, and then we got ready, and now we are just up at the pool on the rooftop, having a drink before our Favela tour, because we're just, Sakona's writing emails, so she's not with us right now, but this is the beach. The water is dark like it's the ocean. You know how like in the beach, like close to the beach, the water's a little clear, but this water is very dark. We are currently on a Favela tour, and if you come to Rio, I highly recommend taking one. I'll see if I can post the link to the one that I took and recommend the guy that is touring us, but you learn so much. All right, y'all, so we decided to have a late night and go out for Davina's birthday. She really wants to go. All right, y'all, this is the last day. All right, y'all, here's our ride for today. We're on the pirate ship.
Look at my boobs. I have cleavage.
This fish is will go when you jump in that water.
Okay, you show me.
Huh? I just did.
No, you didn't. You didn't put your shit in the water. Go. Go. Come on.
Hold this, Maki, and give it to me once I get down in the water. I'm not gonna go far and I'm not gonna stay long.
Okay.
But I am gonna show you.
Tell it to my mama. I'm not gonna stay long.
Give me. Give me.
No, I want you guys to come out. Because if I'm about to be out there with them fishes, you are too.
I cannot. I can't. I have a phobia. What don't y'all understand about a phobia?
The phobia part.
I'm gonna go kill me, but it's in there. Hey y'all, so we literally just got back from the beach. Our flight leaves in about 2 hours, and we have to shower in addition to get to the airport, and it's about a 30 to 45 minute drive to the airport. And we already checked out of our room this morning, so they let us get the hospitality room. This hotel is amazing. So yeah, one crazy day. Look at all our shit all over the place. All right, y'all, my kid's almost done out the shower, so I gotta go. Talk to you guys when we get to the airport later. All right, everybody. Okay, so all good things must come to an end, right? Sadly. But we did get first class again, which is amazing. We're on the plane headed home. Here's everybody. Joe. So me and Joe got a seat together. I gotta get these two girls right here. Then say hey. Hi. Say hey.
Hello.
They got their seats together. Okay, bye y'all.